Yo guys, it's Ozgun here. I hope you are doing well. So a couple days ago, I was browsing in the Reddit and I saw a really interesting mastering trick that we can use in the FL mastering. So in this video, I'm gonna test that trick. Is it any good or not? And also I'm gonna make my own master and we will just compare two of the different masters again. So I'm giving FL master another try. If you're ready, let's get into that tutorial. Okay guys, I have this demo track for today's tutorial. This is an unmastered, pre-mastered track. I produced this track for Production Music Live, so I'm gonna make an announcement. We will release a new sample pack and preset pack soon. And also I wanna make this style of hard techno tracks similar to Emily Land's style. So the track is like that. Let me give it a little bit volume so you can hear it properly. So yeah guys, the trick is like that. As you see, it's not mastered, it's just a render from the mixing project. So the trick I saw in the Reddit was like that. We will go to the FL Master, and unfortunately I'm not a subscription to the FL Cloud, so we will do it in the free version of the master. Name here as FL AI Master. I'm not gonna touch any of those guys. So as you see, there is the references, but we cannot use it as a free member. That's why we will choose default. So it's gonna automatically detect, but it's not important. Now we are looking at the loops value, the loudness value. The trick I read on the Reddit was something like that. You go to the FL AI master and put the loudness to the -10 loops and get a render. Let the AI master your track for you. And when you get the AI master, we will put another Ozgun or another limiter, another maximizer, whatever you are using to maximize your tracks, and push couple more dBs, eventually make it super loud. So let's try this first. I'm gonna just start. So as you see, it's gonna just render the audio file and do the AI thing inside of it. And because we cannot use the reference templates inside of it, it's gonna just color the track by itself. So if you're a subscription user to FL Cloud, you can even customize this master even better. So it just choose the hip hop preset as the default. We don't care about this. We will just accept it. And then it's gonna give us the mastered file that we can just drag drop here. As you see, pretty well, clipped, and it's maximized pretty decent. Let's hear it now. Okay, so the thing is like that. It's maximized the track like in the loudest peak. It's just hitting -7 loops value and approximately -7 RMS as well. For me, guys, this is pretty decent master. At before, when we test the FL AI master, we pushed the track to the limits, and in the breakdown section we are hearing some clipping. But in this case, I don't hear any clipping. The color is very nice in the track. The trick is not stop here. This is totally releasable, by the way. It's pretty amazing already. But the trick contains two steps, right? The first step was to get the AI master with -10 loops value. And the second thing is to boost the track in our limiter, maybe a couple dBs more. So you can use Maximus, you can use Ozgun, whatever you are using to maximize your track. It doesn't matter. It was like peaking maximum minus 0.1. I'm gonna keep the peak like that, and I'm gonna activate the true peak. And now let's boost a couple dBs more till, you know, till the headroom allows us. It's interesting that the true peak on the Yulin loudness meter shows 0 dB, even though we choose 0.1. I'm not sure why it's metering like that, but we able to hit minus 5.7 loops, which is pretty loud. And I don't hear much distortion. Like, I don't hear, yeah, we are kind of killing the dynamic range, but this is a trade-off, right? If you want to be loud, you can give up some dynamic range of the track and you will gain some more loudness. Like, let me turn on and off the Ozgun and we can hear the difference. Yeah, guys, I love it. I love it. It's so cool. So this was the let's render this first. So this was the FL AI master plus just couple dB more boost with, you know, our tools. And I think this is pretty good. You know, we didn't even spend any time. It just take maybe a couple minutes, right? So let's say FL AI plus human master. So this was pure AI. And so I want to compare all of the masters. I want to just master this myself. I'm going to keep it very, very short. If I master this track, I will put some compression. I want to get like 2 to 3 dB, maximum 4 dB gain reduction. Let's adjust the threshold. That's good. So usually I spend a little bit more time to, you know, color the track, but I'm not gonna do that much. Okay, just a little bit mid and high mid boost. And now let's jump to the maximization. I'm gonna copy Ozgun. As I said, I could smash tons of, you know, processing thing, but yeah, let's keep it more dry. So I'm gonna have same settings, but this time I'm gonna go very loud until the, you know, headroom allows me, until I cannot boost it more. Okay, I think that's the limit of this track. I'm gonna leave it in here. And let's render how it's gonna be. I'm also rendering 32-bit float, but it doesn't matter because we are not clipping. They will all sound same in terms of the bitrate left. And the last master is ready. And in here, let's try it human. And let's deactivate this master things so we can measure the track now. So I'm a little bit excited about the result because I cannot determine how it's gonna be. So we got 3 masters in here. Let me put them next to each other. Okay, let's loop this phrase like this. So the top one is human, my master. The second one is hybrid master. The last one is pure AI master. So honestly, the loudness is my master is still the biggest. So the AI master sounds a little bit thin in the synths, but I think the low end is very consistent on them, right? So I don't know, the hybrid master sounds very cool in my opinion. Also my master, I still love it. It sounds more fat, in my opinion, it sounds more loud. But this hybrid master got some character to it. It's like a little bit relaxed on the mid frequencies. Maybe there's some EQ curve applied to it. Let's loop this. But I can tell you that my master has better punch than the AI master. And the human master is still a little bit more loud, but I think with the FL and human, the hybrid master, we could boost it a little bit more. So let's try that. Now it's distorting. I think this is the limit, so let's try this. So this is FL AI plus human and more loud. Lost. So for me now the loudness are very close to each other. We are seeing like -5 RMS, which is huge, you know, extremely loud. But the thing is like the AI master has a little bit harsh high end. The top end is the top synth just hurts my ear when I compare to the my master. My master sounds a little bit more, I don't know, more stable in the high frequencies. And other than that, they're pretty much similar. So yeah, the loudness are pretty much similar, but the colors are very different than each other. So I'm thinking there is the reason for that is it's used the hip hop preset. Maybe that's because of it. If I had a subscription, I could just compare it. If you do it, please let me know in the comment section. But for the conclusion, guys, I think this one is amazing, you know. You can just get an AI master with -10 loops and you can boost it, whatever you are using. Even you can use the Maximus, it's gonna work. With couple dBs more to make it loud and loud. And the color, this is subjective, but I think both of them is pretty good. And I think this AI, the hybrid master we make is totally releasable. So let's lower the volumes a little bit. Yeah, so both of them clipped pretty decent. You see, it's like a very flat curve. And what about the original pure AI one? So it's always good to lower the volume and compare. Then you can, hear the dynamic range also. Yeah, guys, all of them is usable in terms of the loudness. The human version a little bit more loud without sacrificing much stuff. The hybrid master is pretty loud, but I'm not sure about its color. But still, if you could choose the presets of it when you first do the AI master, probably we could be able to change this EQ and change the character to it to maybe something more techno. If we could able to choose the techno preset, maybe the result could be different. But even like this, I think it's totally releasable. So guys, just let me know what you think about these masters. Which one do you prefer if this was your track? So let me know in the comment section. Today that was it, guys. I hope you can apply this trick to your own productions as well. See you on the next video. Bye bye.